how to log out your Netflix account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can actually log out your Netflix account from other devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out your Netflix account from other devices, just open up Netflix first of all. Then just simply sign into your account, right? Basically, once I've signed into my account, let's say that you think that someone else is also logged into your account on Netflix. You want to remove all the other accounts. To do that, first of all, tap the account icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap the account icon, over here at the bottom, you'll find the option called account. So you just want to make sure to tap on the account option. As in when you tap on account, if you look closely, and then you'll see all the account page options load up, right? You just need to scroll down to the bottom, and then here you will find the option under security and privacy that says sign out of all devices. All you have to do is tap on sign out of all devices. It'll ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to sign out? So just tap on sign out, and all of the devices where your Netflix account is logged in will be automatically signed out. This is how you can sign out of Netflix from all devices. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.